Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That camera looks a little whack there at that angle. There we go. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from Spain. This is Yatekomo, Gallina Blanca, Fideos Orientales, Barbacoa. So it's barbecue chicken noodles. And so, here we go. Like, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing? So basically, slap it in the 150 mils of water. Make sure this is, yeah. 150 mils of water for, well, until it sucks up all the liquid. It said it's about 3 minutes. And so here we go. And today it is like the nicest day we've had here yet this year. It's what? Well, it's hard to tell. It says it's like 74 degrees out right now, but we took off at 7:30 and got back like at 12:30, I think. No, before that. But anyways, it said it was like 74. There's no way. It was freaking cooking. You know, we're like hoofing it, and I'm hoofing it. She's sitting in her stroller. But in the, it's all concrete, so for a lot of it at least. Walking up and down old 522. But yeah, I had a special mission today. And I don't know if this is the second video. I think this is the first one. I don't know. Huh. Well, basically, I guess I've let the cat out of the bag. I had a special purpose with this walk that we did today. So we walked to the Ace Hardware in Lake Forest Park and got, well, here, this is the special purpose. So this is just a Galaxy S7, my wife's old phone, but check it out. It's got this clamp and it's got that on it. And what I want to be able to do is drill a hole in one of the cup holders on the stroller and like mount it so I can do a landscape shot pointed ahead and do video. Well, here's what we got. And a hacksaw. I was like, can you like cut it, dude? And he's like, oh, we're not really set up for that. I'm like, I bet you he could have, but he'd rather just sell me a hacksaw, and you know, now I have a hacksaw. That's great. But oh, how high does this go? Holy crap. It just keeps going and going and going and going, but I guess, but yeah, see? And then I've got washers, and basically it'll clip on the thing and just sit like that. The whole thing I'm hoping is that it just doesn't sit there and rotate. And I think I'm burning my noodles. Nope, but they're done. Okay, perfect. I guess I could do them a little bit further along and then do the old fried crispy action, but I'm just gonna do them like they said to do them. Because I'm like that. So this is like Spanish, like Spain style barbecue flavor. Instant noodle. Wow, that smells like a bag of Lay's barbecue chips though. Holy moly, I mean it like, wow. This is intense. Like crazy intense barbecue flavor scent. I thought this was. I'm like okay now. It's like I thought. Oh man, it's gonna be like barbecue chicken flavor. It's like this just smells like the powder they put on barbecue potato chips, which is okay. I like that flavor. I had one from a prototype from Paldo, South Korea, ages ago. I think I did. Yeah, I did a review of it, and it just. I guess it never came out. But it wasn't bad, and it kind of was like this in a way. It was less Korean barbecue, more American barbecue type of flavor. As far as like barbecue snack food flavor. Wow, look at that, and we're done. Well, let's give it a try. I don't want it to like burn or nothing. Come on, let go. We'll just do this. Mmm. Wow. Honestly, that's not bad. There's a little hint of chili powder going on there. Let me get you stabilized so I can show you the do. Get Rotato in the mix. I'm trying to hurry because we got back so late and I gotta do all the editing and junk too, so this might be a quicker set of videos I'm doing today. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so what do we put on barbecue? Yeah. Noodles from Spain. Well, you can't go wrong with an egg. That's what my wife's grandfather says, and I'd trust him with my life. So, he's a pretty cool dude. Everybody should meet him. Only if he wants to meet you. He's a nice guy. How about some crispy garlic? Now, note that her grandfather says that about fried eggs generally, so slap a fried egg on it. I've never heard him say it, but my wife has made this mention multiple times. You know about the crispy garlic? You go into the grocery store where they keep all the stuff, like the bags of salad, and you look around and you'll see salad toppings. And you'll find this crispy garlic stuff. And they're like potato chips made out of garlic. Yeah. Boy howdy. That's like the best thing in the world right there. So here's some crispy fried garlic. And it kind of goes with the whole potato chippy kind of thing. And then we're going to throw on some onion. And I don't know, hot sauce? Pepper flake? I think that might work. The only thing that I use or eat that's still from Papa Murphy's, pepper flake. There you go. And now it's time for some Rotato action. Make sure you're centered. Get you down in the mix. Go-Go Rotato. go. Years. Yeah, this is surprisingly good. And I've had potato chip flavored instant noodles before that have been horrible. Can anybody say Pringles? Yeah. Should we get weird? Let's get a little weird. I think we could add a little strange piece of garnish that I've never added to anything ever before. There. She's coming around the mountain towards you. Now, what is that? Can you see it? There it comes, right there. Actually, it's gonna go right there. What is it, you ask? That, ladies and gentlemen, is a slice of dried South African persimmon. I think. Yeah, product of South Africa. So possibly the first time you've ever seen it, folks. South African persimmon garnished, barbecue flavored instant noodles from Spain. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.